Guys, we're starting where the video ends. We're about a week after the end of this video that you're about to watch. And anyway, it's been crazy hot. Here I live in Utah, and we've been getting some crazy hot temperatures, extremely dry. And anyway, I was dealing with some heat stress right over here in this area. Over here, a little bit of heat stress. I don't know, and excuse the wind. I'll use my shadow, my finger, right out in here. We've got a patch of heat stress going on. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through what I did to get rid of that. As I stand out here filming this, it's about 98 degrees, and you can see that the lawn is not looking stressed or anything whatsoever. And anyway, I'm gonna walk you through the steps of what I did, as well as do a review on the new sprayer that I just got. So stay tuned, here it comes. I've been getting, I don't know if you can see, but right over there, I've been getting a little bit of heat stress on the lawn. Over here, surprisingly, usually I get heat stress over here. Over here is not too bad. But right over there, I've been getting some heat stress signs. And so I'm going to be doing an application of this today on my whole yard, just to help alleviate that. We're in the high 90s, low hundreds, and we're going to be that way for the next couple of weeks. We've got everything out here. I got a measuring cup, got my little scale to measure out the ounces. We're going to mix some stuff up in the bucket here. We're going to do an application of this green envy as well as this liquid kelp. Got a surfactant, a little mixer right there. We're going to do 4 ounces per gallon per the instructions here. We're going to do 2 ounces of liquid kelp per gallon on top of that. Okay, and then a little trick here, turn the pressure down and then go ahead and spray through your sprayer till you start getting the brown. See that? So that way you get the product through the hose, and that way you know that you've got product and you're ready to spray. We're going to come back and check on this in a future time, as well as my heat stress area right over there, and make sure that this is working. So far though, the lawn is looking really good. I'm really pleased. Even though it's super hot, it's still hanging in there good. So okay, we're going to do a quick unboxing of this sprayer here. This is the FlowZone Cyclone 2.5. I did a lot of research and what have you, and I feel like this sprayer will work really great for different applications and what have you I need to do for my yard and grass. So let's get right in and see what is in the box and what comes with it. Try to do this one-handed here. Manual. Got a little holster for some tips in the wand. I think that holds the end of the wand. Got the battery. Charging cable for the battery. Got the trigger here, nice style like a pressure washer, which is really nice. Got the lid. Here's the harness, super nice and padded. Looks extremely comfortable. Excited to try it out. Wand extension right there. And last but not least, got the sprayer itself. Got the nice straining basket in it, which is great. So anyway, let's put it together here and we'll test it out, see how it works. One part I failed to make mention of is in this compartment right here. The battery goes, you get an assortment of nozzles that go on the hose for different spray patterns. You can try those out. The other nice thing, this is an additional accessory, but they actually make, I took it out of the bag already, but they make this adapter right here that connects into the wand, and then you can get T-jet nozzles and put them on this adapter right here, which is really a nice touch. So I did get that accessory as well with this, just because I'm going to use it mostly to apply products to my lawn. Alright, here's the sprayer all put together. Got some nice storage for the tips right here. The wand can just store right in here. We got the battery compartment, and we've got the battery right ready to go. Gonna do some spraying here this morning. Nice battery life indicator there, fully charged. Padded back and straps here. So anyway, I think we're ready to go. So we'll try spraying that through the new FlowZone backpack sprayer here. So as you saw in that video, it sprays and spreads product extremely well. I love the variable pressure dial that's right here. You've got 5 different settings. I did a test beforehand to see my walking rate and how much area I covered, and found that setting number 3 worked great for my pace and how I like to walk. But the nice thing is you've got flexibility for different speeds, different rates, all of that. So I really like the power washer style handle. That is really nice, really comfortable and ergonomic to use. So I really like that about it. And then as you can see here, as I was rinsing out the product and what have you, it got wet right here, and I like little waterproof case for that battery. That's very nice. The battery seems to last well. I sprayed a little over 10,000 square feet of lawn here, and I don't know if you can see, but we still have all the bars on the battery, so no complaints there. It works great. So anyway, first time using it. Love everything about it so far. I really don't have any complaints. I'll keep using it over time here, and let you know if I develop any complaints or have any issues, and I'll create an update video then. Thanks for joining. If you like these kinds of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.